Are you frustrated with your hair not being as thick and healthy as you want it to be? Do you feel like you've tried everything, including using plant powders, but nothing seems to work? If so, you're not alone. Many people struggle with hair growth and thickness, and it can be especially frustrating when natural remedies don't seem to be effective. In recent years, plant powders have become a popular option for people looking to promote hair growth and thickness naturally. However, there are many misconceptions and mistakes people make when using them. For example, did you know that using too much powder or applying it incorrectly can actually damage your hair rather than promoting growth? Or that the type of plant powder you use can make a big difference in the results you see? We're here to help you achieve your hair goals by showing you the 5 biggest mistakes people make when using plant powders and how to fix them. By avoiding these mistakes, you'll be able to properly use plant powders and achieve the thick, healthy hair you've always wanted. Be sure to stick around until the end of the video for all the tips and tricks, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more health and beauty advice. Let's get started. Using the wrong plant powder can be a costly mistake as you might not achieve the desired results. It's essential to research the benefits of different plant powders to find the one that suits your hair needs. Some of the popular plant powders for hair include hibiscus, amla, fenugreek, and bringrage or false daisy. Hibiscus powder is great for increasing hair growth and thickness, while amla powder is known to help prevent hair loss. Fenugreek powder is known to strengthen hair and prevent dandruff, while bringrage powder helps in maintaining healthy hair. Another common mistake is not using enough powder. Using too little powder will not provide enough nutrients to promote hair growth. The amount of powder needed depends on the length and thickness of your hair, but a general rule is to use 1 to 2 tablespoons. Mix the powder with water or a carrier oil to make a paste and apply it to your scalp and hair. You can adjust the quantity based on how your hair responds to the treatment. Leaving the powder on for too long is another mistake people make when using plant powders for hair. Leaving the powder on for too long can cause scalp irritation and damage to the hair follicles. The recommended time for leaving the powder on is 30 to 60 minutes. Rinse the powder off thoroughly with lukewarm water and use a mild shampoo to remove any residue. It's essential to be gentle while washing the hair to prevent tangling or breakage. Not using a carrier oil is another common mistake when using plant powders for hair. Plant powders can be drying to the hair, so it's important to mix them with a carrier oil to moisturize and protect the hair. Some good carrier oils include coconut oil, almond oil, and jojoba oil. Mix the powder with the carrier oil to make a paste and apply it to your scalp and hair. The carrier oil will also help to spread the powder evenly and facilitate absorption. Lastly, using plant powders too frequently can cause buildup and damage to the hair. It's recommended to use plant powders once a week or every 2 weeks. Pay attention to how your hair reacts to the powder and adjust the frequency accordingly. Overuse of plant powders can lead to dry and brittle hair, which can break easily. In conclusion, using plant powders for hair growth and thickness can be an effective and natural way to achieve the luscious locks you desire. However, it's important to avoid common mistakes like using the wrong plant powder, not using enough powder, leaving the powder on for too long, not using a carrier oil, and using plant powders too frequently. By following these tips, you can maximize the benefits of plant powders and achieve healthier, stronger, and more beautiful hair. If you've been using plant powders for hair growth and thickness without seeing results, it's likely that you've been making one or more of the common mistakes we discussed in this video. But don't worry, by following the tips and tricks we've shared, you can easily fix these mistakes and get the results you're looking for. Remember, it's important to choose the right plant powder for your hair type and needs, and to properly prepare and apply it for best results. You also need to be patient and consistent with your routine, as it may take some time for the effects of the plant powder to become visible. Finally, we encourage you to do your own research and experiment with different plant powders to find what works best for you. With a little bit of effort and dedication, you can achieve the thick, healthy hair you've always wanted. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more health and beauty tips, and leave a comment down below sharing your own experiences with plant powders for hair growth. We love hearing from our viewers and are always here to answer your questions and provide more helpful information.